what I seen off of this presentation, like it looked like a pretty good business opportunity. So I just got done watching a presentation from a company called CannaGlobe. Now I don't know how long this company been around. I'm assuming it's a fairly new online business opportunity. This is another one of those network marketing opportunities. So if you're not into network marketing at all, you're probably not going to care about this video. But I just happened to stumble across this presentation as I was scrolling through YouTube, and I'm like, you know what? Let me see what this is about, right? Give me something to talk about. And so I checked it out. Now, CannaGlobe is a cannabis. It's in the cannabis niche, right? Now, if you know anything about the cannabis industry, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. A lot of people are getting into the cannabis business, right, so to speak. So what CannaGlobe is all about is giving people the opportunity to have their own virtual dispensary. All right. And it's crazy because I'm sure like 5-10 years ago, this would have been a dream opportunity for a lot of people. All right. A lot of people who probably still in jail for selling weed, right? Like they wish they could have a virtual dispensary. All right. But anyway, after watching this presentation, which was like over an hour long, I'm like, you know what? This ain't a bad opportunity. I can see where a lot of people would really like this type of opportunity. Now, I'm not going to join this opportunity for a couple reasons. The first reason is I'm not a cannabis user. I'm not big on cannabis and all that. I don't have a problem with people who is. I just never really got into it. So for me to jump into this opportunity, it just wouldn't make sense, right? Because I would want to be able to use the products and do different reviews and really promote, cannabis. And a lot of people who know me know I don't do anything with cannabis. So they would probably be looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, dude, come on, man. You'll do anything for money, bro. You don't smoke cannabis. You don't take gummies. You don't do none of that stuff, right? So for me to get involved with CannaGlobe, it just really wouldn't make sense. Now maybe one day, one day I might take a gummy and love it and be like, yo, shit, this is incredible. But right now, it's just not something that, like I said, I'm not into it, so I really wouldn't feel comfortable promoting it. And the second reason, which is actually probably the most important reason, like I said, I'm already involved with a few other network marketing opportunities, so I'm not joining another damn company no matter what. Like I'm just too preoccupied. If you watch this channel, you know I'm a part of Live Good. I'm a part of Got Back Up. And I'm a part of Nexus Snap, and I'm really, really pushing the hell out of Nexus Snap. So for those of you who are looking for a network marketing opportunity and you are into the cannabis and things like that, like from what I've seen off of this presentation, like it looked like a pretty good business opportunity. So I did see where like you got 3 options to get started with CannaGlobe. The first one is just being basically an affiliate. And to be an affiliate, all you need to do is have one product on auto ship, right? So you find your gummies or your different powders and whatever, and you find that product, you want to rock with it, have it on auto ship, which means you're going to pay for it every month. And this will allow you to be an affiliate, right? And as an affiliate, you earn 20% commissions on everything that you sell. So that in itself, that's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Because if you are into cannabis, I'm sure you can find a product, on the site that you probably like and that you probably want to take on a regular basis, right? So that right there ain't too bad. Then I seen where they have another option where basically you can earn a lot higher commissions and it costs you a one-time fee of $299 and then just $25 a month. All right, now I ain't sure. I don't think you have to have an auto ship requirement if you come in at $299 from what I've seen, because you are going to be paying $25 a month to maintain your business. Now this, like I said, I think the main thing about this is it gives you more ways to make money with this opportunity. All right, and then the last option, you come in, it's like the something pro level. And you come in, it's a one-time fee of $599 basically $600 damn. All right, but you get, you know, really high commissions on everything you sell, and it opens up other multi-level opportunities right within the company, so you can make even more money. Plus, you get more training than you would get at the $299 level. Now, I will say I think that's dope about the fact that the $299 level and the $599 program, it's only a one-time fee from what I see. All right, and for what I remember. And then with the $599, you still gonna be paying $25 a month to maintain your virtual dispensary business. Like I say, I mean, from what I've seen, if you are into network marketing, like CannaGlobe might be a dope opportunity for you, right? Now, I will say this, being a part of, you know, Got Back Up, Live Good, and Nexus Snap, which are all $10 a month programs, all right, I kind of wish that CannaGlobe had that kind of compensation plan, but for whatever reason, you know, they don't. They're doing what they do. And it really wouldn't matter because I still wouldn't join it. But I don't know. I think that maybe the Live Good and the Nexus Snap compensation plan model might go really good with CannaGlobe. But I don't know. I mean, they doing their own thing. I guess they growing. This company growing, I guess, pretty fast. All right. So, yeah, don't look bad. You know what I mean? Like, my opinion, like if I wasn't involved with these other opportunities, and even if I did cannabis just a little bit, even if I took gummies, I probably would rock with this opportunity. All right, I ain't gonna lie to you. But comment below, let me know if you join CannaGlobe or you planning on joining CannaGlobe. Comment below and let other people know what you think.